go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow low, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change come what may. If the good times are all gone and I'm bound for moving on, I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, things are looking good. You could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do.